Today we're going to make black bean and mushroom burgers. If you've got my book Ain't Delicious, go check it out, page 89, because I'm making a recipe from in there today. I'm Anastasia Eden. I am a retreat chef here in the UK. I'm here to make your life easier in the kitchen because I share a whole ton of delicious, super easy vegan and gluten-free recipes. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let's go take a quick look and see how easy it is to make these black bean and mushroom burgers. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do in this recipe is get your mushrooms and chop them up into very small pieces. Then you're going to saute them in oil for a couple of minutes and then put the lid on. And then just leave them to the side whilst you get on with the rest of the burgers. You're going to need to use pre-cooked black beans for this recipe, so either cook up your own, and you can check the link so I can show you how to do them in another video. Either cook up your own or buy pre-cooked in a can. If you're using the canned version, be sure to rinse and drain them very, very thoroughly before use. Then you're going to peel and crush the garlic and chop it up as small as you can. Put it in a mixing bowl along with the beans and tomato puree. Then you're going to roughly mash these ingredients together. You need a rustic blend, so a few whole black beans remaining along with a lot of mush is absolutely perfect for this. And the mashed beans are going to act as a binder in this recipe. You could also use a hand blender just to pulsate through a few times if that's easier for you. Then you're going to mix everything else in, and then I'm going to add some rice flour into it. You can use any flour you have. I often use ground oats or oat flour or chickpea flour for this. And I'm going to finely chop some parsley. Just chop it as finely as you possibly can. And then mix everything together with a spoon, pushing and pressing until everything is thoroughly combined. Next, I'm going to form patties or little burgers in my hand. So I'm going to squish it together, and then I'm going to squish, squish, squish and round it about 1.5 centimeters or half an inch thick. And then I'm just going to pop them on a plate until I'm ready. And then I'm going to put them under the grill or broiler if you're in the USA, because we call it different things depending on where you live. So you're going to pop it under the grill and grill it for approximately 8 minutes on each side on a medium heat. And then they're ready to serve right away. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that this inspires you to make something delicious in the kitchen. Please go check out my other recipes and videos. Give this a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.